Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make easily profit with NFT on your Binance account. So let's get started. Binance is one of the best and one of the top exchange website among the cryptocurrency exchange. So finally, Binance has launched its own NFT marketplace a few weeks ago. If you don't know about how you can use Binance NFT marketplace or how you can buy NFT, then make sure to watch these two videos. I have just uploaded video about Binance NFT marketplace usage and how you can buy NFT on Binance NFT marketplace. So if we come to Binance exchange website or Binance exchange account, here you will see the new menu option, NFT. NFT means non-fungible token. You will find all the NFT token, you will find all the marketplace on this menu option. Simply click on NFT menu option. Once you come to Binance NFT marketplace, first of all scroll down to know a little about NFT marketplace of Binance. This is how do I buy an NFT. Make sure to read this description. Then if it here how do I sell an NFT, if you don't know, make sure to read this description. And then what is a non-fungible token or NFT, make sure to read these three questions. Okay, then scroll up. Here you will see all the marketplace. If we click to here marketplace, then you will see all the NFT marketplace, all the categories. Here is the recommended works. If we scroll down, here you will see all the categories: premium, my storybox, arts, sports, and many more. Then we scroll down, here you will see the price of the NFT: 0.21 BNB, 0.29 BNB. Each NFT has different price and different duration. Then we scroll down, here you will see all the NFT. Even you can click on more option to see more NFT. Then we scroll down, here you will see this is the duration of NFT. It means till this time you can place your bid, you can put your price in which price you want to buy this NFT. After the duration is completed, the higher user place a bid, then this NFT will goes to them. Okay, then let's come back to Binance NFT homepage. Here if we scroll down, here you will see the trending NFT. For sure you will find the price and the description. If we click to NFT, let's click here. Here you will see all the details of NFT. This is the title, auction and it means duration. Still this NFT has 2 days 58 minutes. Then the current bid is 3000 BUSD. Now if you want to buy this NFT, simply click on place a bid. Then here you need to type your own price and which price you want to buy this NFT. For now the current price is 3150 BUSD. If you want to buy it, then place higher price in order to win this NFT. 300, 3200, 3500. So like this you can buy NFT from Binance NFT marketplace. Make sure in order to buy any NFT you should have BNB coin or BUSD coin. With these two coin you can buy NFT, otherwise you cannot use your Bitcoins, your Dogecoins, your Cardano or other cryptocurrency. Okay, now let's come back. Then if we scroll down, here you will see the today's picks. These are the today's picks and this is the price. 3 BNB, 0.17 BNB. Then if you scroll down, here you will see Binance NFT mission to lead the future of metaverse. Here you will see the event, marketplace, my storybox, playground, and then beginner guides and many more. Okay, now the main point of this video is how you can make profit with Binance NFT on Binance account. Make sure to pay attention. If I scroll down, here you can see one NFT price is 3000 BUSD. If you are artist, if you are singer, if you are videographer, then this is the best opportunity for you to build or to make NFT and upload on Binance NFT marketplace. And here you can make lots of profit and you can get lots of money. Here simply check to here, focus on the price of NFT. Mostly the price is just started from 1 BNB to 20 BNB, and even you can say from 100 BUSD to 3000 4000 BUSD. Here you will see the different prices with different NFT. Here you can see 1500 BUSD, 800 BUSD, 2.46 BNB, 3000. Then this one is sold out and the current bid is 28 BNB, which cost 8243 things. If instead of this artist, if you were just created this NFT and uploaded to Binance NFT marketplace, then think you will get 8243 with only one NFT. So here you will find different NFT with different price. So how you can make profit with this NFT, even if you are not artist, even if you are not singer, if you are not videographer, then how you can make profit with this NFT? Although you cannot make any picture, you cannot make any songs, you cannot make any video, then how you can make profit with this NFT on Binance account? The simple way is you need a little BUSD coin and BNB coin in order to buy NFT on Binance NFT marketplace to make profit without being artist, singer or videographer. So what is the trick to make profit with NFT on Binance NFT marketplace? Simply come to here and choose any NFT that you want to buy. Suppose if you can afford this NFT price, if you can afford this NFT price, but I recommend you to buy NFT with cheap price like 2 BNB, 1 BNB, 0.17 BNB. Start from lowest, not highest. Suppose you are new on this market and you don't have much experience, then never start from higher prices because you might lose your funds, you might lose your money. So suppose if you want to make profit, then think, simply buy this NFT. Okay, the price is 2 BNB. You should have BNB on your Binance wallet. Then simply buy this NFT and upload this NFT by your account, upload this NFT by your name and put the price for 3 BNB, for 2.15 BNB, for 4 BNB, for 3.15 BNB. Like this you will make profit with NFT on Binance NFT marketplace. Did you get my point? Did you get what I'm saying? Suppose this NFT price is 1.18 BNB. Okay, let's think. Suppose I will buy this price at 1.18 BNB. Then Binance will give this NFT to my address, to my wallet in here. It will give me to here. Okay, then I will upload this NFT back to Binance NFT marketplace and I will put the price for 2 BNB, 2.15 BNB, even I will put the price 3 BNB. So suppose I will just sell this NFT for $3 and I just bought this NFT for $2, then $1 BNB I will be in a profit. 1 BNB I will be in a profit. Like this you will make profit with Binance NFT. So like this you can make profit without being artist, without being singer or videographer on Binance NFT marketplace. I hope you just understand this video. If you have any problem, if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, I need your support. You're subscribing to this channel, clicking on like button, you will just motivate me. Like this I will upload a handy video for you. I will upload a useful video for you daily. Make sure to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload any video. So till the next video, goodbye, see you.